D. D. F.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
Un message en français suivra.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against Canada and the United States of America. 6 nuclear missiles have been launched from unknown locations, and are expected to strike Canada and the United States within the next 15 to 25 minutes. Due to the uncertain facts of these missiles, all Canadian residents should seek out a fallout shelter immediately. If members of the Canadian Armed Forces direct you to a fallout shelter, please follow them for your safety. If no such shelter exists in your area, get as far underground as possible. Stay away from windows. Using everyday household objects, put as many walls and layers between you and the outside world as possible. You should get together a basic survival kit, including a flashlight and a hand-cranked or battery-operated radio for use during your stay in the shelter. Stay tuned to local media for further information. Do not venture outside until it is declared safe to do so. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau will be speaking on all stations shortly.
Nous interrompons notre programmation. Ceci est une urgence nationale. Des détails importants vont suivre. Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du gouvernement canadien. La commande nord-américaine de défense aérospatiale a détecté le lancement de 6 interconnexions.